see me?
Where are you?
I'm underneath. I'm going in the wrong hole. We don't want to spoil the show. Radio out here in the field, day 2, because Tony, last time we tried to fly this, some disaster struck. Yeah, so what happened?
We had a Hobby King Navy Cub and we tried to land a drone on a basket attached to the top of the wing. Yeah.
Did it go well?
No, it didn't go well.
It was disaster.
The basket on the top just played havoc with the aerodynamics of the plane.
Oh no, Tony!
We were lucky to come away with as little damage.
Well, you broke it. I'm going to blame pilot error. But what have we done now? We've gone back to the. I'm going to say you've done most of this. We've gone back to the drawing board today. So what is happening? What do we got over here?
So for the sake of the viewers' pleasure, we decided to go back to the drawing board. We scrapped the idea of going with the Navy Cub, and we built a new plane. And we built this specifically to put a quad up its derriere.
Look at this thing! You built this thing from scratch.
This was a complete scratch build, and the intent is it's got a cargo door at the back, and we're going to drop the cargo door and try and get this quad. We're going to try and insert this quad up the rectum of this plane here. So,
okay, so this is how they actually make, this is where baby quads come from, after doing a little bit of cross-pollination.
Correct, yeah,
right
so you know, when a big plane like this marries a nice 5-inch quad, you get little mini quads like this coming out at the back. So we're going to put it back to where it all came from today, and if Stuart's piloting is any good, we're going to come up from underneath, inside, close the hatch, do a circuit with you inside, and then you're going to get dropped off again.
Okay, that's the plan. Land this inside
the plane. That's the go. In the top, are we going to make this happen?
Oh yeah, okay.
And you have to click the button before you watch the video.
I think it's going to be on this side.
Okay,
a little pole above our heads. Are we going to land this quad?
This quad in that plane.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes or no? Success or disaster? Let's find out. Maybe could you tell us how you went, how this thing came together? Can you tell us some of the details before we take it up?
Company in the States, Flight Test. They've got another video.
Yes.
They've got another tube. They're brilliant for fixed wing.
Oh, can I just say while we're talking about Flight Test? No coincidence. I don't want to get a bit freaky here. Hold this camera.
Yeah.
Check this out. Oh, I actually wore this for inspiration.
Yep. Flight Test! So this is for the boys at Flight Test. This is very, very, very loosely based on their guinea pig. So I saw a video of that and thought it was perfect for what we wanted, but I couldn't be bothered printing out plans, so I just bought some cheap foam board and I just eyeballed this one in based on the guinea pig design. Oh. So it's very, very similar to a guinea pig.
And I just want to say, Jono's just turned up, so our chances of success have just kind of dipped a little bit.
They've just dropped a little, yeah.
So, all right.
But we'll see how we go.
And this whole bit comes off the top, right? Let's have a give us a rundown on the plane, because this might be the last time we ever see it as it's
So I've designed this to go into the car, so the tailplane and the stabilizer have got a connection. You can unbolt that and they come off. The wing obviously comes off. It all connects in here, and then for ease of battery replacement, I put a hatch on the front.
Yes.
And you can put the battery in.
God, that's a big battery.
It's cavernous in there. So I'm only running a 6200 4-cell at the moment.
She said I was the only one, but there's a lot of space.
There's a lot of space in there.
All right. Yep. And then at the back, where the magic happens, you have a little
so there's a little cargo door, which will just drop down like this in flight, and Stuart's going to come and land up inside here.
Is that as far as it opens?
No, it'll open all the way.
Great.
Yep.
All right.
You'll get it straight up the backside.
Jono, nice of you to turn up. That's good timing.
Eventually, yeah.
What do you think about, what, does it have a name?
I'm just calling it the pig,
not
the guinea pig. It's
radio.
The pig.
The pig. What do you think about the pig?
She's big. I reckon you'll get a little tiny quad right up in there.
Right up in there.
All right.
Balance both props because I had some terrible vibration, but it's yeah, she's going well now. So this moment of truth, we're going to see if we can put one up the backside.
Ready, Tony?
I'm ready.
We're going. This is it. It's go time.
Go on, park him up there. Stu, I'm going to just keep going backwards and forwards like this, okay? Just up and down. All right, I'm turning around, opening the door.
Hang on, let me get behind you.
Door is open.
That's about max speed.
Oh no, you can't catch it.
Turning.
Oh, we need a nice straight line.
I'll slow it down. Come on in.
That's looking good. Use the force, Luke. Oh. 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 Ah.
You got a strategy how you try to do this?
I'm trying to just ram it in there.
Just ram it in, hey?
Turn into the wind.
This is about as fast as I can go.
All right, try that.
Slow it right down, Tony. Slow it right down.
I'm trying, but she's dropping. Hang on, maybe I'll close the door up a little. Hang on.
Close the door up.
Yeah, tight a gap.
Just so. How hard can it be?
Here we go.
Oh!
Alright, this is where we've got to get it over the cars.
Alright.
Nice and steady. You got it? Oh.
Oh!
Man, that was so close.
I'm on 7 volts, I'm crashing.
Oh.
Johnny, you gotta go get me behind that toilet. Quick. Alright, nice and low. We got to another pack, right, to try this.
Yeah.
Hey, okay. All right, what's our chances? Because that was actually a lot more difficult, I thought. Trying to thread that needle. What are we going to do to get it this time? We've got one more pack.
I reckon we've got to keep doing the slow.
Over the top of the cars.
Approaches, because that seem to work best. And I think you just need to have more skill.
Okay. But and see if you can go that way as long as you can. Maybe 2 goes at it over here.
All right.
And I'm going to try and punch it in a bit more rather than going slow into it.
So what are we doing now, guys?
All right, so it's pretty tricky to actually land it inside there, but maybe it's because it doesn't know where it's coming from. So if we put the quad in here,
I'll close the door.
If you could close the door for us, if you take off.
Can you see? See all right?
Yeah, I guess so. We're somewhere. Let's see if I can rev it up. Oh gosh, yeah, we're in there.
Down, or are you right?
We're in there. Who knows? But you can do some maneuvers to get it out of there if we get in trouble.
Right,
yeah.
All right, ready?
It's going to be a dump and run. A dump and run.
Oh, let's
go.
go. But give me a bit of height when you take it off. Oh, it's bumping in there. I don't even have my seatbelt on.
How's it look, Stu?
It's all red. I can't see anything. You're nice and smooth. No turbulence. Tell me when you're going to drop me.
No, don't tell him. Surprise him.
All right.
I can see out this tiny little hole.
Hang on. You keep an eye on it.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Jono?
Yeah.
Ready? I'm going to turn around here. It doesn't come over us. I'm going to drop him off.
Make sure I got a bit of room though.
All right, here we go. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out you come.
Hey! I'm out. All right. Now it's time to go home.
All right, I'm going to come around.
The real mission begins.
All right, I'm coming around and then I'll open the door.
All right. This is it. Smooth sailing. Oh, you get it. So you're going to open.
Doors open.
I can't get in on the turn. That's a bit tricky.
All right, here we go. Doors open.
Okay.
Now's your shot. You going to get it this time?
Yeah.
There you go.
I think I'm more stable than Tony.
Come on, Tony. Get it together.
Oh, you just banked at the last second.
Back round again.
All right, we're going to have to figure out some. So I'm going to also try and get it going back this way so we get twice as many attempts. Is the door open? The door's not even open.
It's open now. All right, here we go.
On the turn. That's it. Stay there. Oh, what are you doing? Turning. Coming in. 3, 2, 1. Oh, close. All right. Thanks, Hal. Open the Bombay doors. Oh, that was close.
That was close. Turning.
Oh, God.
All right, here we go.
I reckon
Slow.
that wind. Stay straight. Oh my God, this is hard!
Turning.
God, you get about 5 seconds and you've got to be close.
All right, here we go. Right out.
And also you get blown from the props because it's pushing out quite a lot of air behind it. That's looking so good. Oh my God. Okay, that's exactly what's happening. Yeah, the problem is you're getting a hole, you get close and then it's like, oh, I just spat all over myself.
I thought you were going to come in then. That was really close. All right, here we go.
Oh, I felt like that was in the door. This is very tricky.
Come on, come on.
That's looking beautiful.
Oh, I thought you were in.
Oh, that was the shot. I'm dying. Jono, low battery again, same spot.
I'm going to come in and land.
Rightio.
I'll come in and land.
Here he comes.
You take this.
Yeah.
Can you get that thing for me?
Yeah.
Differential thrust. Love it.
So, you know what the problem is? As I'm getting closer,
Yeah.
it seems fine, but then when I get in the whatever...
In the wash.
Yeah, but whatever it's blowing back, it's making it it's got to stop your quad there. It's real, and then you got to punch it forward to get past it. It's quite tricky.
You're close.
Hey, what are we going to do?
We'll try again.
You going
We're
again?
going to go again.
Okay.
Gonna get him this time
Yeah,
too?
take 3. This is about it. This is our last chance,
You happy?
right?
All
Yeah.
right.
And if you can see if you can go as far as you can this way.
Ready, set.
Oh, see that back blow is what I've got to fly into.
Doors open. All right, we're going to come around over the trees
Oh,
and around. All right, nice and slow. You tell me when.
I'm right on it. Ah! Usually I can smash your planes out of the sky, no worries.
Yeah, not this one.
Don't move. Don't move.
Oh,
Oh!
that was close. All right, come around. Come on, do it. It doesn't get better than this. It doesn't get better than
I'm
that.
trying! I'm just going for it. Don't move. That was good. That was good.
All right, I'm turning around.
I'm stuck at the back of it. I'm
What?
so close. Can you see me?
Where are you?
I'm underneath. I'm going in the wrong hole. I'm in the wrong hole.
Here we go. I'm coming around.
I'm stuck right underneath you. I'm still in there. Am I inside?
No,
Close.
I think you're hanging on the outside. Yep.
Ah!
Doors open. Come on.
Nah.
Coming in.
God, even I'm running out of throttle.
Oh.
No! Okay, I thought that was a success. Did you see my drone stuck to
Yeah,
it?
you were just hanging off the back end.
Yeah. Oh!
that was What kind of a landing was that, Tony?
A bad one.
Oh.
Right.
Jeez. All right, let's see the damage.
Let's talk this through.
Hang on. Let's see what happened there.
Where's that wheel supposed to be, Tony?
Oh, that's okay. That just the cleats, the collars come off.
Do you know where I was? I was stuck here, looking directly down in this hole.
Shut up.
I was stuck up the top here.
Oh no, we won't have the footage of that.
Oh.
Hang on, let me stop these ones. Let me stop these.
I gotta go get mine. Mine's out in that field somewhere.
Yeah, I'll go and fetch one.
So I don't know if that was a success or not. What do you think?
I reckon the fact that
It's
we've got everything back in one piece is a success.
Yeah, and it was a lot of fun, which is the main idea of the channel.
We were close. I think. How much fun was that? That was great.
That was amazing.
That was fun.
Look, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. I did want it to land inside there, but I don't know, that means we're just gonna have to have like another episode.
We're gonna do it again.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it again.
So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Definitely subscribe for more FPV related action. Big shout out to, I guess, Flight Test for a huge inspiration, and that's kind of one of the biggest inspirations for me starting my channel. And we had a lot of fun. So huge shout out to Long Range Tony with the pig in the air. Put your comments down below, all that sort of stuff. And
yeah, thanks Alex and Bixler for inspiring me on the pig.
And as always, happy flying.